I love early mornings. I get to be on my own and to think about the day ahead. The peacefulness of a sleeping community. Time to spend on my own. Time to reflect on the day past and consider the day ahead. I run to center myself. I run to center myself. I travel to work through a vibrant city, and I draw on its energy. My day is frenetic but rewarding. We are family at CCI South Africa, a community bound together by achievement. We take ownership, but we also work for each other, and that's where the reward lies. The business has empowered us. It's given us opportunities that we probably wouldn't have had. Our leadership encourages us and helps us to realize our true potential. We're a team that wants to perform and get positive outcomes for our partners. I'm Siyanda Mahlaba, and I'm an agent at CCI South Africa.